Alright, if you're still clicking everything in your inbox, yeah, you're wasting time. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Gmail so you can move faster and work smarter. First, open Gmail settings, go to See All Settings, and turn on keyboard shortcuts. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply it. Now press J to move down your inbox and K to move up. Press Enter to open any email. Press C to instantly open a new email compose window. Press R to reply and F to forward emails quickly. Press E to archive emails and keep your inbox clean. Use the key to delete emails instantly. Press to jump directly to the search bar and find emails fast. Press Shift+ to see the full list of shortcuts anytime. And yeah, that's how you use Gmail shortcuts for a faster workflow. Once you get used to it, you'll never go back to clicking everything.